Hey guys, just doing a quick update video on my 87 Cabriolet. So yes, it was supposed to be on the road and finished, but what ended up happening, guys, is I ended up getting this thing here as a parts car, and it's a diesel, and I was thinking diesel swap for that one possibly, but I ended up falling in love with the drivetrain, so I actually stopped working on that one and started working on this one. So just took a small break from it, that's all. I redid the whole floor in it. Check it out, it was all rotted out. So that's one thing that I did. I also took on this Jeep, so I've been restoring the Jeep, guys. Also, on top of that, I built this incredible carport slash garage metal building. Only cost me $3,000 US, guys. I have detailed videos on how to build one for yourself if you want. I also have, videos on the Jeep and the 1982 diesel Rabbit, guys. And I also see that truck back there, that Sonoma. I also restored that. So, plus I work in the summer. So I did, unfortunately, have to take a break from this. But the plan is, I am gonna get the Jeep on the road for winter, which is like 3 days away here in Canada. There's gonna be snow on the ground. It is minus temperature right now. Once that's on the road, I'm gonna finish the Red Rabbit. I'll have videos on that. Once the Red Rabbit is finished, I'm getting back to this thing, guys. And I got lots figured out. I got the whole fuel system figured out. I got all the electrical figured out. Like, this thing's ready to fire up. I just need to, work on it again, which I took a break from it, guys, but don't worry, videos are coming on this, and this thing will be on the road. Look how mint it looks. Detailed videos coming up, guys. Just wanted to fill you guys in case you're wondering, like, did he stop working on it? What's going on? I take on way too much, guys, but I do get everything finished. I will get it finished. I promise you guys I will get it running, and there'll be lots of detailed videos on everything, guys. So don't you worry about that. So just a quick little update, guys. And I do work, and I do have 3 kids, actually. So considering my life, I do a lot, guys. So please subscribe, and don't worry, she'll be back on the road in no time.